Good morning. Today we're going to talk about installing the safety gas gauge. The reason why we've put it inside on our Jayco Crosstrack is to identify if there's any leaks and how much gas is left in the gas bottles, so when we go away on our ventures that we don't run out of gas. And we got it from Bunnings. Easiest way to do it is disconnect this line here, which is connected to the Crosstrack to the gas bottle, and then what we did is this bit here that's the gas gauge there. So once you've installed it into the actual gas bottle, this is the connection here. I just use the shifter, and then I turn the gauge on over here. The green arrow is to identify which gas bottle I'm going to come out of, and then turn it on like that, just a quarter turn, and then I'll press down on it, and then the gauge goes from here, which is low, which is not engaged, to full. And then when you go to test these lines, just put a bit of washing detergent on it, and then that's how you install it. For more of these videos, please give us a thumbs up on Facebook, McKean Adventures. Please subscribe to McKean Adventures on YouTube, and please follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Have a good day.